Alright, BTS.
You record BTS?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so we're there another day doing the BTS. Hopefully by morning we can drop the brand new movie. What was the name? What's going on in my house? What's going on in my house? So hopefully by tomorrow we can run over Richard Brown Films and watch the full length movie. Jammywood. Oh yeah, Jammywood. Hopefully we can get ready. Go over Jammywood. We'll post the link over on Richard Brown Films, and we'll post a link here in the community section. So you guys can watch it on Jammywood. So hopefully tomorrow morning we have something ready for you guys, alright? Wind up the glass. Alright, wait, come in and shoot for you. Popeye, come shoot for you, sir. Let me hand this man in a frame. So that means so when the car drive. Curious, can you hold the phone here, sir? You can hold the camera. Wait, Alton. So Alton. Wait no man. Alton. Oh no, look. Wait no man. Just a drive up and set so. So you want to shoot for you, sir. So me and you have up this thing. Oh, curious, I got DVD, see? Alright, just set the pressure card. So no time for them, so come here, go pressure. So Papa, start video in here and come up. And take you. Tell me ready, Papa.
Ready?
Beautiful Jamaica, you know.
Come.
Behind the scene. It's not a crime scene.
Come, look.
Forward! Action!
No, I'm not thinking so, yeah.
That's what I'm telling you, set.
Up 7%.
So that means so when Curious come out, Curious don't come out on that side. But no problem. Take the camera from him. Go in that car, Curious. You not got Curious?
No.
Oh. Papa,
Look
take
on
the
this,
phone.
see yourself in there.
Yes.
Go to see yourself.
I'll tell you, get Curious come out that car. You want some tire, man? Ready? Yeah. And then I go to. General. Good. Come back down with more car. No, I'm going to stop you. Stick man in walk like that.
No, I'm a big
Come right to the kiss.
We're going to talk business to people here. You have work on yourself. Okay, on one side.
Oh, you call me?
Yeah, come one side.
Then go back down for this and call him. Find this all the time. Okay, you can't catch him voice and it doesn't make no sense. You're not catching voice. Oh, okay. Ready, fire, ready. Go on, General. Come back here. No, dad.
Just turn around.
Yeah, just turn around and turn. We used to try and brother, I now but use me judge and shot them. Ready, turn around. Focus, go back, let's go turn up curious. Focus on curious, suppose, and then put it on manual focus. And then make you walk back in the scene. Go back and walk back in the scene, curious. So you focus on you in the scene. Walk back in the scene, curious.
Come in better.
Oh. Go orange. Ready? So you see I go on now, boss?
Yeah. You know it's like, it look like me too.
What?
I don't quite remember fully, you know, but I feel so on the pass the mark, you know, because up that side there, I think if it comes to far down from the foot of the hill or so, which are the up that side view. So, maybe they have something wrong, peg or something, but you need to check it. Because if I use their clean up or so, I think it's not down too far. You see?
Alright, come on here. So what the if you were doing it, man? Papa, pay attention now. You can't come over your phone for 1 second.
Yeah, pay attention, man.
I don't think so, I don't feel so far down that side, you know. But it clean up, the thing will come down too far. Up this side, if you write for the big stone or something, you think about this side, you can stop.
You know, so we don't move down peg. Same place where we see peg, we just cut. And at this side, end up, we don't move nothing. So probably the best thing what you need to do, I get few people and come measure it over.
It's alright, man, you figure it out. But you no go down.
Yeah man, we just go and clean up and get the place ready.
Go on, man, turn on, man, thing. So, but you know, just do the right thing, though. Alright?
Alright, boss.
Yeah, this man, when pass, come on.
Yo, this one I scrape up. The man that cut me that piece of stick.
Yeah.
No focus on it.
No focus
on the butt. Me not catch him now, but me I see it myself. Oh, just catch him up, you don't catch him, man. You don't need that tonight. Say last part and you walk out.
Yeah, man, so, cause this man, me drive past, I'm just take a note of it, and I said, no, Jack. Cause I know it's the smallest check me, they want one piece of you and to go square, and it's part of 8 of go so. So I know they're supposed to divide up, so if you come down too much, you couldn't work. So I look for the scale or something I work after. So, but, somebody can check out it. So no matter wasting the time, carry down too much, you know. Just check back if you check if I right peg. And that's how I work though.
Alright, done. Come back, come get you, I tell you, sir. Yo, go back, be peg and move it back. Come back. Yo, go on. Turn up a chat. Listen, go ahead. Boy, you put back your peg way there. Go ahead. Turn up a chat. Don't look on my head. Put back your peg. We're already outside. Ready? Don't chat. Continue. No, man, I get you by chat, man.
No.
Oh, so focus by me and me walk in.
Then I start talking.
Yeah.
So now this.
Yo. Oh, stop that. You are going. You see peg where you move? Me want you go for. come put it back here so. Before you see it, so go for it and come back. Come on. Good. So come back, come and say something. So just go and take up some. Go and take up some. Just go and take up some. Alright, good. Come back. Not that good. Come back. Let's do the first part now. Let's do the first part. Hey man.
No?
Oh.
Your cousin.
Are you calling my cousin?
Yeah.
Where are you?
Rihanna. Okay.
Oi, cut.
Alright, no, don't cut.
But you just mentioned for the BTS.
Alright. So, alright.
Go London.
Yo.
Go London.
London.
No.
Oh, I see.
No, don't cut. Alright, so you are one. Alright, so you are one now. Alton, start with one established shot from down so we talk. And then we come in a conversation.
No, walk come.
Yeah man, we walk come.
Walk up.
Walk for us. Alright, so we walk for us.
Tell us something, we have all time. No, but I wonder, say, which one is there? Put it like a pig, with that
No,
stuff.
we not some pig.
Oh.
So we walk come down, we not no pig. Let me know. When you come, you go to stand. Ready? No, not that one. Alright, so you know, I like how you cut down the so far. Let me know. What is it? Yeah man, so I like how you cut it and you look good so far. So here you are. You see peg. Love the fact that you're moving over this. One time. So just finish one, clean up. Just watch and see what I want. Just one way. Alright, come on. Just yank it from white top. Oh no, catch your face. Don't even know what I'm saying. Catch your face. Let me say something here. Alright, yeah man, I love you. Alright. Catch your face. Then it's like a piece of crash roll on me. Come on. Yeah man, so I like the job what you do so far. Yeah man, so you walk one. You see peg, just make sure so you make the peg stay up this way. Because we are trying to take as much as the land as we can take in. Alright, so where they are say go and wait and just go and pick up some extra. Alright, good answer. Alright, wait, come back. One more. Oh, you want to see me come right also? Right, come right as I'm going to walk. Come back. I walk. Yeah. Already. Alright, good. Alright. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, this was our BTS for the new movie when it up tomorrow. Hopefully. Or from tonight. Hopefully no, we might upload it tonight, but tomorrow I make it public to the audience. So over at Jammywood, guys, we haven't post last movie we post over there. About a month. So what name? Oh, Government Badness. So Government Badness was the last movie we post over there. So we'll be posting this what's going on in my house over at Jammywood. So go and show your support, subscribe and watch the video up and share and like. Over at Richard Brown Films, we are working on some project to see if we can post within the next 2 to 3 days, the longest. So go and support, show no love, big up on yourself, alright? So yeah man, I'm going now man.
And we are out in 5,
Give up
4, 3.
Alright, me give Papa episode.
Yeah, remember me always a big on the subscribe, but you know.
Well, wipe off it.
Alright,
Yeah man, you know what I said this man and the woogie boss.
I'm gonna start make some clothes mark Woogie Woogie bar, so you know, so we're gonna link the company overseas. So my number one fan, so put in on the order. Woogie Woogie bar shirt coming. And them I make it too.